of consolation prizes. Buti pa sabot, ang tulong nga wala mathatagi og consolation prizes mo ay makadawat sa atong major awards, which is the champion, first runner-up, and second runner-up. Okay, let's call on the bands. Please join us here katong mga banda nga wala na tumatawag sa consolation prizes. Ari lang sa ubos sa tubangan sa stage. Sabay wala to matawag nga banda. We have Combo Panda. Okay, join us here, Combo Panda. Okay. Okay, dili na lang daw sa tubangan. Okay, they would rather stay at the back, ladies and gentlemen. But right now, I have here the results for Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna for the second runner-up. Our second runner-up will receive 15,000 pesos with trophy from Albor Bohol, the wood carvers of Albor Bohol. Second runner-up is band interpreter Diwata, song title Paanod, composer Divna Kikoy. As for the second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, band interpreter Diwata. Congratulations, 15,000 pesos cash, a trophy from our wood carvers from Albor Bohol. Okay, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I got here the result for the first runner-up. So meaning, duha na lang kabanda ang wala na tumatawag. Okay, so ang matawag na to nga first runner-up, automatically, okay, ang katong usa ka banda nga wala na tumatawag, mo'y mahimong grand champion for Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna. Our first runner-up will take home with them 20,000 pesos plus trophy from our wood carvers from Albor Bohol. Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna, first runner-up. Band interpreter, Combo Panda, song title, Siya o Sa Iyang Atubangan, composer, John Ursel Galagar. Congratulations, Combo Panda, first runner-up who will take home 20,000 pesos and a trophy for Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, I guess it's obvious already, our grand champion for Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna, will take home 30,000 pesos, a trophy, and of course, 3 rooms overnight stay at the Bellevue Resort here in Bangla, of course, and pocket Wi-Fi from Globe. Our grand winner for Himog Huni, Ikatulong, Hugna, band interpreter, The Radical, song title, Silong, composer, Job Christian Tulunghari. All right, congratulations, guys. The Radical, ladies and gentlemen, The Radical. We have The Radical with a song titled Silong. They are the grand champion for Himog Huni. Ikatulong Hugna, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Stick around because we have here the music video of the band. Okay, we will watch the music video of the band. Our grand champion for Himog Huni, Ikatulong Hugna, ladies and gentlemen. All right, thank you so much. Father Val Pinlac, Attorney Kat, Joseph Gara. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness their music video of our grand champion from Kawasan Falls, Balilian, Bohol.